We do much more than just sell remote deposit capture scanners and repair them. We can create a completely custom suite of sales tools which maximize your merchant sales process so that you get to focus on the other aspects of running your business. Take this customer for example. A bank in New York, which is providing remote deposit services to their merchant customers, wanted to add more substance to their sales process. We provided them with a custom branded sales video that they will use to present the check scanner technology to prospects, as well as a custom branded e-commerce ordering site which allows their customers to log in and purchase, rent, or lease the check scanners and consumables, and allows us to partially or completely support the sales and fulfillment process. With our remote deposit sales solutions, our bank customers no longer have to inventory products, sell products directly, monitor maintenance contract renewals, or support the customer after purchase. We take care of that for you. The marketing video provides a compelling case for why a prospect should use remote deposit capture, taking the pressure off the sales force that is presenting its justification to your prospective customers. It is available in either CD format, can be placed on your bank website as a video stream in your branch offices, or available to you to present at trade shows. View the presentation below to see samples of the videos, as well as the custom e-commerce sites we create for our customers. And call now to find out how we can custom tailor a program for you.